Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character tǒng step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. Tǒng, together, to unite, whole. For example, 总统 总统 President of a country. 总统 President of a country. Now check this sentence. The speech made by the president was supported widely by the public. 总统的演说获得广大民众的拥护。The speech made by the president made by the president was supported widely by the public. "总统的演说获得广大民众的拥护。总统的演说The speech made by the president 获得广大民众 public 的拥护 supported The speech made by the president was supported widely by the public. My daily handwriting on the character 统 统 together, to unite, whole. 总统 President of a country. The speech made by the president was supported widely by the public. 总统的演说获得广大民众的拥护。统 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 统 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.